Hey everyone, so I discovered something recently that is pretty cool and I wanted to share it with you guys. It's a way to clear the energy in your home. And basically all you do is you need some rubbing alcohol, some salt, and a lighter and a fireproof dish. And I'm using a pan, but you can use other things, but whatever is fireproof, because we are going to be working with fire. And you also want to, be safe. These flames can get big depending upon how much alcohol you put into the pot. Basically how this works is the salt draws in the negative energy. The salt and the fire draw in the negative energy. Now, I'm using sea salt right now, but you can use any salt. You can use regular table salt. You can use Himalayan sea salt. You can use Epsom salt. Anything works. And so I'm going to show you a brief demonstration on how to do this. And basically, you just take your salt, pour it in your little pot here. Take your alcohol. You really don't need to use a lot. If you were going to do your entire house, like say go into the center of your house, I would use more than what I'm using here, but I like to use a little in each room. So I just do a little bit, and then you make sure that the alcohol completely covers your salt. Okay, and then after the salt is completely covered, you take your lighter. Now I'm using a big lighter because it's long and I don't want to put my hands way in there. You can burn yourself. So I do recommend using a long big lighter like this. If you don't have one, just be extremely careful because this lights up pretty fast. It gives you a big flame. So now go ahead and light it. Oops. Okay. And I'm going to bring this up here a little bit here so you can see that. Now, you just let that flame burn, and the salt and the fire are drawing in all the negative energy that are in the air. And what I found, this is something, okay, I saw this video on YouTube about this, and so I tried it, and it does work. But what I found, what was really cool for me is I was noticing that the salt was forming the shape of the energy that was in the air. Okay, so I know this sounds really strange, but whatever the negativity that was being pulled, if it was an entity or a being or heart-centered, things like that, it was showing it in me into the salt. It was forming. It's kind of like doing a reading, like tea reading or something. So when this is done, I'll see if I can see anything. But basically what it does is when the fire burns out, there's a little bit of, usually there's a lot more, but since I've pretty much cleared everything, there isn't very much brown crust. But usually there's a lot more brown crust than this. But you can see that there are some shapes here. There's like 3 circles and then some lines. And there's 3 very distinct circles there. But I need to look carefully. I'm going to turn this music down. It's a little distracting. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's 3 circles and then some lines down there. So what I've been noticing as I go into each room in my home, there's a different formation, and I've been in it. Each formation made a lot of sense to me. So in this video, I will, after I'm done, I might flash to you the pictures of, I took pictures of the ones for each room and explain what happened, because then it might help you be able to do it. But anyways, this is a way to clean the energy in your home. So I hope you liked it and I hope it works for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you, I'm back from the video. I wanted to show you, I flipped this back around the pot, how the 3 circles were, and now you can see the 3 circles. There's 1, 2, 3, so it's like an eyes, a nose, and a mouth. And if you notice, the mouth looks like it's in a sad phase. So basically, this just drew out the sadness in my home. And that's what I feel it was telling me. And hopefully you can see what I see here. But it's 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. And now the sadness that was in the home is gone. It is in the salt, and it is going in the garbage. So anyways, I hope that is something that will help you clear some energy out of your home. Have some fun with it. Thanks for watching.